7917 7867.
Small claims mediation, can I help?
Oh, hi there. Is that the Central London Civil Court?
Central London County Court, yeah.
Yeah. Hi there. I had a trial on June the 18th where I blew up with Judge Hornby.
Right, this is the... Sorry, are you referring to mediation? Because this is the mediation department.
Well, yeah, I guess now I need mediation because I need to get this problem sorted out because now I've received my eviction notice this Saturday. Whereas
Right.
really, I'm trying to get the judge arrested. He perverted justice. So yeah, mediation would be the way to go. They should have mediated before the trial.
Has this mediation been court ordered?
Well, no, it hasn't, but it damn well should be.
Right. You'll need to call the central court. This is the mediation
There's
department.
no one answering the 5000 phone number. They never do. Even the judge, Judge Hornby, criticised the court for not answering the phone.
Right. There's
And then
another...
he stripped me of my right to defend myself.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to get him arrested. I called the old bill down there, and then you guys got me arrested when I got home.
I see.
Yeah, Judge Hornby is a pervert. He is not a judge. Okay, I'm going to get him arrested. I've been down to the Royal Courts of Justice quite a few times now. I just don't have the money to pay for it.
Well, if the mediation isn't court ordered...
well, as a result of what he's done, I now got to pay out £70,000. £70,000. Is he insane? He's obviously insane. So yeah, how can we mediate out through this? If you're the mediation department, you're the guys I need to talk to, really.
So you want me to try and arrange a mediation appointment between yourself and Judge Hornby?
Well, ideally, yeah, I want to tear his head off, just like he ripped my head off, verbally that is. I want a professional meeting to sort this rubbish out. He perverted justice. He perverted justice. I've won 4 criminal trials, not guilty. And now he's stamped me as guilty in a civil trial. The council and their representatives stripped away my defence, stripped it away because they knew that their clients had committed perjury.
Right, so it seems like you're fairly set on taking the judge's head off.
Yeah, I want to take him to court. I want to put him in prison. That's what I mean.
Well, I don't think mediation is going to work then with that.
Well, why not? I mean, first of all, he should be talking to me. He stripped me of my right of defence. What was he going to do? Sit there for 2 days, have them lot slag me off with no right of defence? So I walked out. Now he's put all this on me, 70 grand, and I'm going to lose my home. I can't find a lawyer. Everyone says get a lawyer, it's easy, get a lawyer, it's rubbish. I need to represent myself. I need a face-to-face meeting with him, with a professional mediation service. Because he only did this when the clerk left the room. As soon as I was on my own, he laid into me. I want the audio transcribed, the recording. I want the recording. And I haven't got 150 quid to pay somebody to do it. And they said it could cost up to £1,000 where there's 2 people talking simultaneously. I am entrapped. All because that pig ignorant, and I'm using words like that deliberately because he is, pig ignorant judge, refused to listen to me. He rubbished my handwritten documents of defence.
Right, I think I'm going to struggle to get an appointment with Judge Hornby, to be honest.
Well, any judge will do that can override Judge Hornby, really. I want Judge Hornby there so I can strip him down. He's a little schoolboy. Have you looked him up on his website? He belongs to the Oratory Society. He was slagging your courthouse off because of lack of communication, lack of phone, people not answering the phone. The paperwork was all over the place. It's not as good as his old Bow Street court where nothing ever went wrong. And then he stripped me of my right of defence when you guys aren't even answering the phone. You got no personal support, no duty solicitors. The Royal Courts of Justice say you should have all these people in place. So yeah, mediation, you bet. I'm going to get the Inland Revenue to go through your books. Well, on the day, the security guards who were there, they witnessed everything. They said to me, oh, please don't shut us down because we'll lose our jobs.
Right, Can I take a couple of details from you
Yeah,
then?
please, please.
Right, so can I have your full name, please?
Yeah, it's Martin Galileo Smith. It's number
And your telephone number, please?
0208 441 1685.
Do you have an email address?
Well, yeah, but I don't use it. I only send stuff on it.
Okay,
I want
no
to.
worries.
I want to talk over the phone because I can't type. I've lost the ability to type.
Okay, do you have a postal address?
Yeah, yeah. It's number 3 Westbrook Close. That's East Barnet, Hertfordshire.
Yeah.
EN4 9AU, London, UK.
Right.
Seriously, I'm asking you to help me here. I'm not off my tree and all of that. I'm just really, really annoyed.
Okay.
I can't find a solicitor to handle this for me. That's the problem. I'm well capable of doing it myself.
What about going to another court and finding a duty solicitor if our court don't
Well,
have one?
I recommend one. I don't know where they are, and I'm sick of running around all over the place. And you guys have actually put an injunction on me, so I can't even go down to your building.
Well, you could always try a different court.
Yeah. Well, I've been trying the Royal Courts of Justice, but they've said you've got to issue your claim back at the original court where it's all started from, which is you guys. I've tried that, and then I get barred. So then I tried to ring. I called the old Bill.
Have you spoken to a solicitor's firm? Because I know they give a sort of a half an hour or an hour's free
Nah.
advice.
No, I honestly, mate, I've done that thousands of times. I get nowhere. As soon as they find out it's cross-contaminated with criminal trials and the police have screwed up and the council has screwed up, they don't want to know. It's too complicated. It's not just a simple, oh, there's a bloke living in a house. We'll move him from that address out there. I've got my entire life here now, right down to my granddad's tools. I can't go anywhere. My dad built Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. I've got all the stuff here. Right, they're wrecking my life over perjury. As soon as you say that to a solicitor, they don't want to know. I'm giving bollockings to the Crown Prosecution Service. Do you know we're now allowed to challenge the Crown Prosecution Service? Maybe that's because I'm putting Keir Starmer down on his knees, verbally.
Well, all I can say is now, I've taken your details, I'll go and talk to my mediator and
Please.
suggest.
It is very, very, very urgent and very important. I am not going to trash my life over a Nazi Gestapo Inquisition. That is the complaint that I've put in at Wood Green Crown Court. Because this council has interfered with the police gathering criminal evidence, and I've gone through 4 criminal trials, all of them not guilty. Because the council has been stopping the police from doing their job properly. I'm prosecuting the CPS now, North London CPS. You guys are so out of touch, it's unbelievable. And I wasn't allowed to tell that as my defence? Bullshit.
Well, the reason we're out of touch is because we're actually not...
Not you personally, you're a
anything
mediation service. I'm not talking about you personally, honest, believe me. You're a mediation service. I'm just explaining to you the sort of severity of what's happened.
Okay.
Judge Hornby needs to be sectioned psychopathically and analysed. That's what I'm asking the Crown Court to do.
Right, okay.
Oh, well, one other thing. I've spoken to the Queen's Practice Master at the Royal Courts of Justice about Judge Hornby. He agrees with me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He had no right to strip me of my defence, especially when all 5 witnesses, including a police officer, had turned up for court. He had no right. And a previous judge had fixed their statements so they cannot be removed and cannot be added to because of the perjury. Judge Marin recognised the perjury, but it weren't ready for a trial. So, your courthouse knew that those statements were all perjurious, and Judge Hornby stripped me of my right to present it. You understand that? That's what you need to talk to your boss about. Perjury. Exposing perjury.
Okay, well, when I'm
Please.
off the phone with you, I'll give her a call and see what she
Mate,
says.
mate, thank you. I'm not giving you a bollocking or nothing.
No.
I'm just being adamant about it. You understand?
I understand.
Will you call me back today, do you think?
Hopefully, but we are a man down in the office, so it's pretty
Look,
busy.
mate, look, if I know you're going to respond, take my email address and I will look at it tonight.
Alright, what's your email address?
Okay, it's X-Ray Galileo 2112. So it's X-R-A-Y Galileo. Then the number's 2112 at gmail.com. It's all lowercase as well. X-Ray Galileo 2112, all one word, all lowercase, at gmail.com.
Okey-doke.
Mate, thank you very much. You were very, very professional at listening to me.
Not a problem.
Alright, I'm going to recommend you, whoever you are. No, you were really good. You were spot on. You didn't slam the phone down. You didn't get annoyed. You didn't get frustrated. You just listened. That's what it's all about.
It is indeed.
Thank you so much.
Okay, alright.
Cheers, mate.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.